Now, can we start? I think time is started.
Yes, ma'am, you can start.
Okay. So, Khelo India e-Pathshala, again, बच्चों, we welcome you on platform of Sports Authority of India and Table Tennis Federation of India. All the table tennis player, my colleague, and who are interested in yoga, please today's notice speaker is Deepa ma'am, who is the expert of yoga, and you will all will do with her, and she is a wonderful yoga teacher who will teach you properly. Ma'am, all is yours. Please, we can start now.
Surely. Very good evening. Namaste. Today again I am here and Sai has given me a wonderful opportunity again. So feeling really very pleasure. And kids, how are you? Fine, all of you? Great. Okay, you're feeling good? So again I am here with you to give you some yoga workouts. Okay, so quickly we will recollect in last 3 sessions what we have done. First, write in comment box कि last session में what I have given. Please write it in comment box. Yes,
आप लोगों ने अब तक क्या क्या किया है, याद करिए क्या क्या कराया मैम ने अभी. दिस इज द थर्ड सेशन.
लास्ट सेशन में क्या किया था हमने? अक्षता, प्रियांशी, Matrin, please write down. And where is Harshit? No comment is coming.
अहिंसा नियम क्या क्या था? अष्टांग योग.
अष्टांग योग.
ओके.
नो बच्चों, आप लोग को याद नहीं है ना?
नहीं.
ओके, नो वरीज, याद नहीं है आपको, बट जो मैंने कहा था वो आपने किया. What I told you.
Ma'am, just a second. I would like to interrupt. Actually, the chat was not working earlier. So now it is working. So if anybody was trying to write, they might not have been able to write. They can write again. If anybody was trying to write, they can write again.
Fine. We'll wait. Huh?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
Just give them
please
3
write
minutes.
it. That only I was feeling कि ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है कि आप लोगों को याद नहीं है. या तो मैंने बराबर नहीं सिखाया या आप लोगों ने नहीं सीखा. Write it. Yes, I will see. I can't see the chat. To improve eye region. Yes, Harshit. Pre-pose. Priyanshi, yes. Eye exercises. Trisha Patel.
सबको आई एक्सरसाइज याद है, बाकी
अष्टांग योग. यस, गुड. यस मैम, सबको आई एक्सरसाइजेस याद हैं.
yes ma'am. Now we have
Okay, fine, we'll continue the thing. Okay, yes, good. Vrikshasan, then eye exercises, most of writing. Fine kids, good going, but see, whatever you are learning here, you have to practice at home. If you will practice, lizard pose 1 is writing. Good. If you will practice at home, definitely you will remember, and then next time whenever I ask or anybody asks, you are able to give the answer. So many times, always I am keeps on repeating, please practice at home. Utilize this lockdown period. आप लोगों को बहुत ज्यादा टाइम मिल रहा है इस समय, तो आप अपने स्पोर्ट्स के स्ट्रेंथ को प्रैक्टिस करके इम्प्रूव कीजिए. Then one more thing I told you, कि when you wake up in the morning, what first thing you will do? As you brush your teeth, definitely you brush your teeth, but you have to think one good thought. And not only think, apply also. That I told you. आप लोगों ने क्या कहा था? मैं किसी की हेल्प करूंगी या करूंगा, या मैं कुछ अच्छे काम करूंगी, या मैं अपने स्पोर्ट्स परफॉर्मेंस को बढ़ाने के बारे में सोचूंगी. So these are not only the thinking, you have to apply also. So please keep it in mind when you wake up in the morning, that time brush your teeth as well as one good thought which you have to apply whole day. आज मैं गुस्सा नहीं करूंगी, या आज मैं जंक फूड नहीं खाऊंगी या खाऊंगा, या आज मैं जिद नहीं करूंगी या करूंगा. This way, when any one good thing, then next day, then you will be a perfect kid. बहुत प्यारे बच्चे हो आप लोग, और बहुत प्यारे बच्चे बनोगे. मामा पापा को खुश रखना है ना, खुश करना है, और खुद को भी खुश होना है. तो जब आप बहुत ये अच्छी चीजें फॉलो करोगे, तो आप बहुत प्यारे प्यारे, बहुत अच्छे अच्छे बच्चे बनोगे. ओके, फाइन, ठीक है. सो होप आपने लास्ट 3 सेशंस एंजॉय किए होंगे. नाउ टुडे इट्स अ pumping thumping workout. Pumping thumping workout, it means a vinyasa yoga. We'll do today the vinyasa yoga. आप लोगों ने विन्यासा योगा का नाम सुना है? Anybody? No. Fine. But see, vinyasa yoga, if you will learn today and you will practice, it will help you a lot in your performance. टेबल टेनिस परफॉर्मेंस को बहुत इंप्रूव करता है ये विन्यासा फ्लो. बट व्हाट इज विन्यासा? यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड फर्स्ट द मीनिंग ऑफ विन्यासा. विन्यासा फ्लो which I am saying, vinyasa it means flow only. See, when you do yoga, what you do? You do one asana, then you feel relaxed. You do other asana, then you feel relaxed. Right? योगा में आप ऐसा करते हो, आसन करते हो और रिलैक्स करते हो. बट इन विन्यासा फ्लो you have to do continuity of asana. First 1, 2, 3, 4. These all the asanas should be in a connecting way. So these are the this vinyasa flow is the connective way of asana, which is synchronized by breathing. So asana as well as breathing combination. Okay, so combination of breathing and asana comes in the vinyasa flow. Now, how it will help? अच्छा, कैसे ये हेल्प करेगा विन्यासा फ्लो आपके टेबल टेनिस प्रैक्टिस के ट्रेनिंग के दौरान एज वेल एज आपके परफॉर्मेंस में? See, if you notice, when you practice of table tennis or when you play the matches, you feel the sometimes soreness in the muscle, tiredness of muscle, tightening of muscle, right? Sometimes you feel these all the things. So vinyasa flow, which I told you, the synchronization of breathing give you the muscle strength. आप ऑक्सीजन लोगे, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड छोड़ोगे. तो ऑक्सीजन will make healthy to your muscle. When oxygen makes healthy, so during your matches or during your practice, you won't feel the soreness of muscle, tightening of muscle. So this number one, this helping, this like fuel of the muscle, we can say. फ्यूल चाहिए आपको, जब आपको एनर्जी चाहिए तो आप खाने से फ्यूल लेते हो, खाना खाते हो. वैसे ही मसल्स को खाने के साथ ऑक्सीजन की भी जरूरत होती है. तो आपको ऑक्सीजन मिली. देन दिस इज वेरी गुड फॉर द एजिलिटी, माइंड बॉडी कोऑर्डिनेशन. So always I'm telling you, keeps on telling you always in each and every session, you have to focus on the ball. You have a footwork sideways, in and out. This all the things. For this all the things you require agility. It means mind body coordination. So when you do vinyasa with the asana and breathing synchronization, this will give you the mind-body coordination as well as balance. ताकि आप जब साइड टू साइड मूवमेंट करते हो, आप ओपोनेंट के अकॉर्डिंग प्ले करते हो, तो आप बॉडी को बैलेंस बना के चलोगे, माइंड को बैलेंस बना के चलना होता है. तो माइंड बॉडी बैलेंस के लिए भी विन्यासा फ्लो बहुत बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. As well as the important part is injury. Last time I told you the injury during the match, before the match, you feel sometimes like the muscle pull hai, ya because of the lack of stamina, you feel the like कि मेरी muscle pull हो गई और मैंने match छोड़ दिया. Sometimes you feel that, या मैं मैच हार गई या हार गया. So this vinyasa flow, it's a wonderful key to make you injury free as well as the strengthening. Okay. Then many times what I feel कि आप लोग जैसे flexibility का भी एक lack of flexibility sometimes you feel. So this vinyasa flow again helps you in flexibility. It improves a lot the flexibility as well as your endurance, your stamina. आप बहुत जल्दी थक जाते हो कभी कभी. क्यों होता है ऐसा? Because एक तो स्टैमिना कम है, दूसरा as I told you initially, it's a pumping thumping workout. So it gives you the heart pumping. It makes you strong your heart, strong your lungs. So what happens? आप जल्दी से थकोगे नहीं. आपके हार्ट स्ट्रांग हो जाए, आपका हार्ट स्ट्रांग होगा, लंग स्ट्रांग होगे. आप इसकी प्रैक्टिस करते हुए अपने हार्ट और लंग्स को स्ट्रांग कर सकते हो, अपना स्टैमिना बढ़ा सकते हो, अपना एंड्योरेंस बढ़ा सकते हो. ओके. So these all the things you can improve with the vinyasa flow. So ready for practice? Practice करें vinyasa flow का. Everyone is ready with the mat. Take the mat, फटाफट, be quick. Take the mat and we'll start the practice of vinyasa flow. So you will understand how to do vinyasa yoga. Okay. So just I will set my camera.
बच्चों जिनके पास मैट्स नहीं है वो कोई भी चादर या कोई कपड़ा बिछा लीजिए, कुछ भी, चटाई, चादर. पिछली बार मैम ने बताया था कि डायरेक्ट अर्थ जो है वो आपकी एनर्जी को खींच लेता है अगर आपके बीच आपके उसमें कपड़ा या कुछ मैट या कुछ नहीं है तो. गुड. प्रियांशी गुड. मैथ्रिन गुड. प्रसन्ना.
hope you are able to see. Everybody is ready? Ready with the math?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Yeah, kids, be alert. Follow me. See, as I told you, it's a
Ma'am.
synchronized. Yeah.
मैम आपका कैमरा टेढ़ा है, आप सीधे नहीं आ रहे हैं.
अच्छा, एक सेकंड.
Now it's okay. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, fine. So, kids, as I told you, it's a synchronization of asana and breathing. So, in last 3 sessions, which asana we have done, that only will synchronize. And some 2-3 new asana will include. But if you remember the tree pose, if you remember the balancing pose, that all the synchronized here. Okay, so we'll start first with the balancing poses, tree pose. So ready for the tree pose? Yes, up. Yes, hands down in front of the chest. Now go to the balancing kite pose. Right leg back. Which leg is on tree pose? That only has to go back. No need to touch on the floor. Yes, come in a balancing way. Very nice. Yes. Now come in a Natarajasana. Take the balance. These are the balancing synchronization. After that, I will tell you the breathing pattern. Balance. Yes. Now come again with the tree pose with right leg. Yes, with right leg. Now same right leg you have to go in a Malasana. Yes. Very nice. In Malasana now, swing your arms and hands up. Yes, very nice. Yes. Now again, swing your asana and hands down. Okay. Now, touch to the floor. Your palm should touch to the floor. Yes. And take a soft hop to the dog pose. Soft hop to the dog pose or Adho Mukha Svanasana. This way. Yes, stay there and look your belly button. Look your belly button. Heels touch to the ground. This way heels touch to the ground. You can see sideways of mine. Now again soft your knee and hop to the Malasana. Upper body straight, your torso straight. This way, join your palm to the, yes, near the sternum, join your palm, यानी chest के इधर आपके हाथ जुड़े हुए होने चाहिए. Same, hold your Malasana and hands up. Yes, good. No, stay in Malasana. Again, join in front of the chest. Again up. Muscle strength, muscle feel हो रहे हैं आपको? Muscle पे pressure feel हो रहा है? Stay there, stay there. Come up. Stay up. Okay. Now take your left leg in the Natarajasana. Left leg means other leg. Left leg in the Natarajasana. Yes. Make a balance. Very good. Very good. Make a balance. Yes, Priyanshi. Good. Now leave your leg and go to the kite pose with same leg which you are doing now. Yes. Good. Now come to the tree pose with left leg. Come to the tree pose. Yes. Make a balance. Stay there. Stay there. Stay there. Yes, Akshita, well tried, well tried. Harshit, yes, good balance, Harshit. Well tried. Harish, yes, stay there. And relax. And relax. Okay, so this, now you are understanding the Vinyasa flow which I told you. It's a synchronization of asana. Yes? Tell me. Yes, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice, very nice. So this is the flow of asana, okay? Now you will understand, you have to understand the breathing pattern also. So now same flow we'll do with the breathing pattern, okay? Stand properly with the hip region distance. Stay there and take a breathe in and out. Very easy. Breathe in and out 3 to 4 times. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Yes. Now swing your arms, hands up. Breathe in with the tree pose. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe out. Breathe in there only. Breathe in, breathe out with the Natarajasana dances pose. Yes, go to the Malasana with breathe out. Swing your arm with breathe in up. Now come up, breathe in, knee straight, breathe in. Now swing your arm, breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Good. Now breathe in here only. Slowly go down. Breathe in only with breathe in. Touch to the floor. Now soft your knee, hop to the dog pose with breathe out. Breathe out. Stay there. Look your belly button. Breathe in. Again come to the Malasana. Yes, come up. Breathe in. Breathe now. Breathe out and release. Now you have to repeat with other leg. Breathe in. Other leg tree pose. Tree pose. Okay, I will come here. This way. Tree pose. Now breathe out in balancing pose, kite pose or Patangasana. Take a no, leg back, left leg back, yes. Now Natarajasana with breathe in and out. Yes, take a balance in Natarajasana, same leg. If breathing is difficult, keep a normal breathing. Okay, now go to the Malasana with normal breathe. We'll do now normal breathe. Malasana. Now swing your arm, breathe in up, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Now breathe in, up, and slowly release with breathing out. Close your feet, slowly come and release. Comfortable, everyone? Comfortable?
Yes, ma'am. Everyone is
Okay.
doing.
Very nice, very nice. Good performance. Okay, so this we have done the synchronization of asana. This is sequence 1. Now we'll start with sequence 2. That is Surya Namaskar, not Surya Namaskar which we have practiced earlier. Here we'll do the advanced Surya Namaskar. Okay, so first we'll start with the 5 counts hold on each and every posture. Then we'll do in a continuation. Okay, so stand straight, normal breathing. Then when we practice next time, then that time we'll do in a with the breathing pattern. So stand with the hip region distance. Yes. Now take a half squat and swing your arm and go on toes and balance. Join your palm up on toes. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Heels down. Arch your back. See from the sideways. Arch your back. Stay there. 1. Stay there. Look up. Look up. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come in the center. Now swing your arm and go to the hip hinge. That is half squat. Hip hinge. See, like chair pose. Chair पे कैसे बैठते हैं? Stay there. 1 hand straight. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now hand swing, and go to the tabletop. Knee should be slightly softer. Hand straight and look front. Look front. Stay there. Stay there. Upper body parallel to the floor. Priyanshi, upper body parallel to the floor. This way. Priyanshi, आगे झुको. Yes. Okay, fine. Now go to the hamstring stretch. Swing your arm this way. Hands on your hips. Knee should be straight. Now shift your hands towards ankle. Towards ankle. Forehead touch to the knee. Forehead touch to the knee. Stay there. 1 knee straight. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, good. Now you have to take right leg back. Lunge position, down lunge. See how? I'm here in hamstring. I'm taking my right leg back with the swinging arm. See, swing and right leg back. Knee should not touch on the floor. जो सूर्य नमस्कार का स्टेप किया था हमने, that we are doing here. Look up, look up. Your knee should be in a 90-degree angle. Let me check. Yes, हरीश, आपका knee आगे नहीं जाना चाहिए, पीछे. हाँ, पीछे वाला लेग स्ट्रेट करो एकदम. Yes, Galaxy E7 is very good. I don't know the name. Akshay. Good, Akshay, yes. Yes, Tanuja, good, very nice, Tanuja. Look up more. And MS Prithvi Sharan, should not touch your knee to the floor. Knee touch नहीं होना चाहिए. हर्षित knee आगे नहीं जाना चाहिए, बाकी ठीक है. Okay, now see, right leg behind and left leg should be split, dog split. See how? Left leg dog split, and you have to look your split up. नीचे से आपको अपने पैर के स्प्लिट को देखना है. Stay there, stay there. 1, 2. Jishnu, more up. Very good. 2, 3. Harshad, very good. 4 and 5. Now come to the dog pose, Adho Mukho Svanasana, which we have practiced before this. This. Feet together. Look your belly button. जो अभी हमने मलासन की बात किया था वो करना है. Okay, now take 2 steps back and go to the plank. Plank. Chaturangana Dandasana. Contract your core. Hip और abs को contract करो. Stay there, stay there. 1, 2, 3. Very good. 4 and 5. Now kneel down. And now abdomen should not touch. Directly chest touch on the floor. Chin touch on the floor. And body straight. Forehead touch to the ground. Now go to the Bhujangasana or Cobra pose. Come up. Make your breathe normal. Elbow soft. Look up. Look up. Yes, again down. Shashtang Namaskar, this is called. Again up. Cobra. Down. Shashtang Namaskar. Now, come on the toe and go to the plank again. Plank. Look front. Now come to the dog, Adho Mukho Svanasana. 2 step forward, heels touch to the ground. Look your belly button. Now right leg dog split. Look your split from downside. Pull up. Right leg up. Both the knees are straight. और अपने split को नीचे से देखो. आपको अपने पैर का किक दिखना चाहिए. Now right leg forward. Right leg forward. Very good. This is lunge. Knee should not touch to the floor. Look up. Look up. Now hamstring stretch. Swing your arm and hold your ankle. Now I'm coming in front. Now swing your arm and go to the tabletop. Hand straight like reverse. जैसे हम गए थे वैसे ही आना है वापस. Knees off. The back should be parallel to the floor. Now swing and go to the hip hinge. Sit down, hand straight. Half squat like chair पे बैठते वैसे. Now swing and go to the standing, hands up. Come on the toes. Heels down. Arch your back. Center. Arch your back. Center. Deep inhale. Exhale and release. Relax. Very good. Nice performance. Just relax. As I explained you, kids, just relax, simply sit. I want to tell you something. Just first make your breathe normal. Priyanshi, just simply sit. Make your breathe normal. Inhale and exhale. Or whatever breathe is going, just follow that. Okay, fine. Now listen, when we have started the session, what I told you, it's a synchronization of movement and breathing. You are feeling that you can see, you can feel, you can see, you can observe the breathing things and synchronization of asana and breathing. Can you? Clear हुआ, which I told you? Give me a thumbs up or down.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
नहीं समझ में आया तो down, समझ में आया तो up.
Yes, everyone.
Just let me check.
Give the response.
Who is giving up? Tell me. Feeling breathing and synchronization of asana. Asana and breathing. Yes. Okay. Good. Reshma, yes. Fine. And your pumping, thumping workout, which I told you initially. Feeling pumping, thumping. थोड़ा थोड़ा. आप लोग का स्टैमिना अच्छा होगा तो यू विल नॉट फील ब्रीथलेस. बट अगर स्टैमिना अच्छा नहीं है तो यू विल फील ब्रीथलेस. व्हाट? थम्स अप. ब्रीथलेस हुआ? थम्स अप. ब्रीथलेस हुआ? टेल मी. ब्रीथलेस हुआ तो थम्स अप. ब्रीथलेस नहीं हुआ तो थम्स डाउन. ब्रीथलेस हुआ? अक्षया ब्रीथलेस हुआ? हरेश ब्रीथलेस. ओके. वेब ब्रीथलेस. किसको ब्रीथलेस नहीं हुआ? किसको नहीं हुआ? किसको नहीं हुआ? डाउन करो अगर नहीं हुआ है तो. ओके, सबको ब्रीथलेस हुआ. ओके, सी एज आई टोल्ड यू इट्स अ पंपिंग थम्पिंग वर्क. ब्रीथलेस नहीं हुआ. ओके, सुजान को नहीं हुआ. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, फाइन. सी इसमें वेरी गुड, वेरी बैड में क्या डिफरेंस है? हियर द गुड इज ऑल्सो गुड एंड बैड इज ऑल्सो गुड. व्हाई? सी अगर आपको ब्रीथलेस हुआ है तो योर कार्डियोवास्कुलर सिस्टम, आपका हार्ट, आपके लंग्स बहुत इफिशिएंटली काम कर रहे हैं. ओके, बिकॉज अगर, और जिनको नहीं हुआ है उनके भी हार्ट और लंग्स बहुत अच्छे से काम कर रहे हैं, बट उनको स्ट्रेंथ, उनका एंड्योरेंस, उनका स्टेमिना थोड़ा सा हायर है. तो उनको थोड़ा सा हायर वर्कआउट देंगे. सेम सिंक्रोनाइजेशन ऑफ आसना थोड़ा सा हायर देंगे तो दे फील पंपिंग थम्पिंग. So understood why good is also good and bad is also good. कभी bad good सुना है क्या? कभी bad good सुना है? Bad को कभी कोई good बोलता है क्या? नहीं ना. इधर आपको ऐसी टीचर मिली है जो bad को भी good बोल रही है. But इस bad को भी आपको improve करना है. तो it will be more good. Okay? So अभी हम थोड़ा सा वर्कआउट जो अभी हमने एडवांस सूर्य नमस्कार किया, इसको हम ब्रीदिंग के साथ करेंगे एंड नो होल्डिंग. जो 5 काउंट होल्ड कर रहे थे, नो होल्डिंग विल डू इन अ कंटिन्यू वे. फाइन? रेडी? यस, गेट अप, कम ऑन. Same sequence will repeat with breathing. Okay. Stance should be very perfect. Stand with hip region distance. Stand straight. Yes. Now swing your arm, breathe in and go to the standing pose. Breathe out, heels down. Breathe in, arch your back. Breathe out, center. One more repeat. Breathe in, arch your back. Breathe out, center. Now swing your arm and go to the hip hinge with breathe in. With breathe in. Yes. Now swing your arm, go to the tabletop. Hands straight, hands straight. See this way. Knee should be soft. Now breathe out and go to the hamstring stretch. Breathe out. Right leg back, right lunge with swinging arm and breathe in. Breathe in. Be on a mat, look up with breathe in. Now breathe out and dog split. Same breathe out dog pose. 2 step back. Here the breathe in. Breathe out in a plank. Breathe in and breathe out in a plank. Kneel down. Go down with breathe out. Breathe in. Cobra pose or Bhujangasana. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Come on the toe. Come up with breathe in a plank and breathe out. Breathe in and out here. Breathe in. Breathe out and dog pose Adho Mukha Svanasana. Same breathe out, right leg split. Breathe in, right leg forward and lunge. Look up. Here is a breathe in. Breathe out, hamstring. Breathe out, hamstring. Breathe in, swing your arm, tabletop. Tabletop. Breathe in, hip hinge like chair pose. Sit, yes. Now swing and standing. Breathe in. Breathe out, heels down. Breathe in, arch your back. Breathe out, center. Breathe in, arch your back. Breathe out, center. Breathe in, up. Breathe out and release. You're comfortable with breathing pattern, everyone? See, those who are not comfortable with breathing pattern, you have to keep normal breathing, normal in and out. Okay? So come again, come up, pumping, thumping. Second set, second sequence, same. Come on with pumping, thumping, yes. Ready? Swing. Go up on toes. Heels down. I will ask the question कि कौन सा posture किसके बाद आया था? Keep it in mind. Back arch. Breathe in, back arch. Breathe out, center. Breathe in, back arch. Breathe out, center. Now breathe in there only. In standing position, breathe in. Breathe out in standing position. Breathe in. And breathe out and go to the squat. Hip hinge. Yes. Breathe in. Tabletop. Breathe out. Hamstring this way. Breathe in. Right lunge. Look up. Breathe out. Dog split. Breathe out. Dog split. Breathe out. Dog pose. 2 step back. Breathe in. Breathe out in a plank. Stay there. Kneel down. Breathe in. Breathe out. Down. Floor touch. Chest down. Forehead touch. Cobra pose with breathe in. Breathe out, down. Breathe, the toe should be flat. Breathe in, breathe out. Come on the toes. Come on in a plank. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in there only. Breathe out, dog pose. Same, breathe out, dog split. Breathe in, lunge, right leg forward. Breathe out, hamstring. Breathe in, tabletop. Breathe out, hip hinge. Breathe in, standing. Breathe out, heels down. Breathe in, arch your back. Breathe out, center. Breathe in, arch your back. Breathe out, center. Deep inhale. Exhale. Release. Good, very nice. Just relax. Simply sit. Make your breathe normal first. Whatever breathe is going, just concentrate on that. If you want a sip of water, you can.
मैम बच्चों ने आपके साथ ट्राई किया, आपकी स्पीड को कॉप तो नहीं कर पाए पर बहुत ठीक से किया. दे ट्राइड ऑल.
Now Akshaya, getting pumping, thumping. Say thumbs up, Akshaya. What thumbs up? Pumping, thumping, breathlessness. Okay, fine. So everyone is ready for the next set? Not this. Now you will learn new. Okay, but I will ask the question on this now. Okay, we have done the hip hinge first. Hip hinge on chair pose. After hip hinge, which pose has come? Just do it and show me. ये hip hinge था. Hip hinge के बाद next step क्या आया? Just do it. Come on and show me. After hip hinge, which step we have done? Come on up. Let me check. Everyone come and hip hinge. After hip hinge, which start has come? We have done which start? Hip hinge karo sare come in hip hinge. This is the hip hinge, like chair pose, which I told you. After hip hinge, what we have done? Tabletop. So first was, मतलब first hip hinge था, first यानी कि जो बीच का step था hip hinge था, and then tabletop. Can you show me after tabletop which step we have done? After tabletop, this was the tabletop. Then next step was, I am giving the hint. Just see here. क्या था tabletop के बाद? Everyone come on the tabletop. Come in a tabletop pose. tabletop के बाद क्या किया था? Yes, अक्षिता, go. क्या था इसके बाद? Do it. Yes, good Akshita. Very nice. Others? हर्षित बताओ करके. Well, tabletop के बाद क्या था? Siddharth. And here the Trisha is doing hamstring. Okay, good Akshita. Fine. After tabletop, which step we have done? The right leg back, right lunge. Everyone just do it, right lunge. No, right lunge. Right leg back, this. If we will not remember how we will practice at home, this is right lunge. मुझे लगा सबको याद हो गया होगा तो मैं नया स्टेप कराने वाली थी. अभी तो किसी को याद नहीं है. This is right lunge, right leg back. Suzanne, you are doing wrong. Right leg back करो. And left leg आगे. This. Priyanshi, no. We are doing here the lunge. Follow me. Priyanshi, follow me. This is right lunge. Right leg back, everyone. Now go to the dog split. Dog split. Left leg split up. Dog pose. Now come to the dog pose. Both the feet together, dog pose. This is dog pose. 2 step back. Plank. Kneel down. Chest. Cobra. Down. Cobra. Down. Come on a plank. Dog. Right leg dog split. Right leg forward and lunge. Other leg forward and hamstring. Yes. Tabletop. Priyanshi, come fast. Hip hinge. Standing. Heels down. Arch your back. Center. Arch your back. Center and release. Now remember, I will say the steps. आपको फटाफट करना है, quick. चलो, first go to the standing. Come on. Go to the standing pose. Now I will not do, I will see only. Come to the standing pose, hands up. Come on the toes. Heels down. Arch your back. Standing center. Arch your back. Standing center. Hip hinge. Swing your arm and hip hinge like chair pose. Chair पे कैसे बैठते हैं? हाँ, very nice, very nice. Chair pose. Table top, hands front. Look front. Both the hands. Now hamstring. Hold your ankle. Good. Hold. No hamstring. Mein hold your ankle. That is Natarajasana, Harish, you are doing. Akshaya, good Akshaya. Hamstring. Hold your ankle. Both the ankles. Look your knee. This is the hamstring step. Now, right leg back. Right lunge. Look up. Yes. Left leg dog split. Split. Left leg. Everyone do left leg. अगर right leg पीछे लिया है तो left leg dog split होगा. हाँ, Harish, left leg up. Dog pose. Both the feet together. दोनों players floor पर. Look your belly button. अपनी नाभि को देखो. 2 step back and go to the plank. Yes. Kneel down. Chest. Go to the floor. Normal breathing. Go to the floor. Shashtang Namaskar. Forehead on the ground. Hands nearby the chest. Cobra. Down. Shashtang. Yes. Good. Cobra. Yes, Jishnu. Down. Good. Now come to the plank. Yes, Partheshwaran. Good. Dog. 2 step forward. Heels touch to the ground. Galaxy 7. Do dog pose proper. Now, right leg dog split. Right leg dog split. Right leg up. Yes. Yes, Tanuja. Good. Now, right leg forward and lunge. Good, Tanuja. Good. Now, both the legs together and hamstring. Other leg forward and hamstring. Hold your both the ankles. Look your knee. Forehead touch to the knee. जिष्णु दोनों पैर एक साथ लेके आओ. हाँ. Now, Prithvishwaran दोनों पैर एक साथ लेके आओ. Both the legs together in hamstring. Now, tabletop. This is tabletop. This is hip hinge. Hip hinge like chair pose. सबको याद हो गया ये. Now, standing on toes. Hands down, legs down, arch your back, center, standing, arch your back, center, good. Deep inhale, exhale, release, relax. Okay, this we have done the second sequence. First sequence we have done the tree pose and Malasana. Second pose, this is the advanced Surya Namaskar. Okay, now third sequence quickly with side plank, etc. Okay, so stand up. Pumping चाहिए तो फटाफट stand up. Come on, last sequence. Yes. Right thighs up, toes pointed down, breathe normal, join your palm up. Now, this same right leg forward with intensive stretch. Same right leg forward with intensive stretch. Wait, I will set the camera. Yes, and Join your palm behind. We did in second session. Join your palm behind. Now hands on the floor. Come to the dog pose. Dog pose, very good. Now 2 steps more back and plank. And now side plank. Side plank. Come in a side plank. Good. Now Vasishthasana. Left leg forward, Vasishthasana. Yes, cross, good. Good, good, stay there. Now, side plank again. Now plank, front plank. Now same will repeat other side plank, other side plank, other side plank. Now Vasishthasana, cross your leg. Very good, very good. Cross your leg, yes. Now, again side plank. Now front plank, front plank. Dog pose. Now, हमने पहले राइट लेग फॉरवर्ड स्ट्रेच किया था, अभी लेफ्ट लेग इंटेंसिव स्ट्रेच. Left leg forward. Both the knees are straight. Both the knees are straight. No lunge. See my knees. See my thighs. Forehead touch to the knee. Intensive stretch. And hands behind. Join. Join your hands. Yes. This will help you a lot for backhand and front hand shots. In TT, forehead, sorry, forehand shots जो होते हैं आपके. Yes, intensive stretch. Come up, come up. I'm coming this way so you can see me properly. And then left leg up. Earlier we did right leg, now left leg. And release. Be quick, repeat this, be quick, right leg, this is last. Come on, right leg up. Balancing. Right leg forward, intensive stretch. Go down, forehead touch to the knee. Join your palm behind. Parshvottanasana this is. Yes. Now, next is what? Dog pose. This is what I'm showing you, dog pose. 2 step back and plank. Side plank. Side plank. Cross. Vasishthasana. Hold your ankle, look up. Side plank again. Front plank. Now repeat other side plank. Other side, I'm showing this way, other side plank. Vasishthasana, cross, look up. Again side plank. Front plank. Dog pose. Left leg forward, intensive stretch. जो आसन हमने इंटेंसिव बच्चा इंटेंसिव नी स्ट्रेट है, जो हमने लास्ट सेशन प्रैक्टिस किए थे सारे वही आसन हैं, खाली उसको हमने सिंक्रोनाइज किया है. जॉइन योर पाम बिहाइंड. अगेन इंटेंसिव स्ट्रेच, फोरहेड टच टू द नी. कम अप, लेफ्ट लेग अप, बैलेंसिंग, जॉइन योर पाम and release. Yes, very nice. Good. Simplicity. Yes. Comfortable breathe. Whatever breathe is going, just concentrate on that. Yes, everyone, now we'll wind up the session with 3 Omkars.
Ma'am, your screen, please camera.
Ma'am, anything else you want?
Ma'am, camera
Suman
सीधा
ma'am?
कीजिए आपका. Ma'am, your camera is not. Camera सीधा करिए.
Okay. Now, sit in Dhyana Mudra. Eyes closed. Just comfortable. Breathe. Whatever breathe is going, just concentrate on that. Now we'll do 3 Omkar. Breathe in. Breathe in. Again, breathe in. Just do palming. Rub your palm. Make a cup and cover your eyes. Cheeks. Blow your mouth. And rotatory movements. Reverse. Neck. And just relax. Open your eyes and smile, everyone. Just smile. Can I see the smile on your face? Yes, good. Good smile. Suzanne, yes. प्रियांशी, सबके फेस पे मुझे स्माइल दिखनी चाहिए. हरीश, yes. Hi, हरीश. मित्रायन, कहाँ गए मित्रायन? I don't know I'm pronouncing right or wrong.
Yeah, it is math.
And Galaxy 7, your name is not coming here. Akshaya, smile. Yes, Tanuja, smile. Siddharth, Mishti, Harshit. Yes, good everyone. Nice smile you have everyone. Trisha. Hi. Akshita, smile. Chubby girl, sweet girl. Pankaj, smile. Suman, ma'am, hello.
Hi, ma'am.
Yes. So,
Ma'am, it was an
Ruchita,
excellent session.
Jishnu, Parthishwaran, smile. Yeah, great. Chalo, okay. Fine, you like the session. Hope the children like the session.
Yes, ma'am, very
Practice
much.
at home. Yes. Always I say practice. Practice makes men perfect. तो जितना भी याद है या रिकॉर्डिंग जब आ जाएंगे YouTube पे, just you watch and start practicing and utilize this period एंड ऐसा नहीं सिर्फ अभी, आगे भी. ओके, सो ऑल द बेस्ट, स्टे सेफ बच्चों. फाइन,
Thank you,
थैंक यू,
ma'am.
नमस्ते.
Thank you.
Ma'am, anything else you want?
No, ma'am. Thank you so much. It is indeed new for me and very mind blowing. Like I learned lot, and your session is always active and give a rest, like stress free. Always give
Thanks.
stress free. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Okay, chalo then.
बच्चों
Bye.
मजा आया? Give the thumb to ma'am. Thumbs up, everyone.
Yes, nice. Your smile is always big thanks for me. Always smile, bachcho. Always practice. Okay, see you soon. Bye.